here I have the Lenovo Legion, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts on this device. So firstly you have to go to the contacts application, then tap here, go to its settings, then select import, then select SIM card, select contacts from your SIM card which you want to copy, then tap import, and after that these 3 contacts will be copied to your device. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.